everyone. My name is Lucy and I'm 10 years old. Today I'm going to tell you about Phonics lesson 96. In this lesson, we have learned about how to find a word and how to find a subject in the sentences by asking the questions. Let's see. Find the word. What is the action in the predicate? Do the motions with me. Find the word. What is the action in the predicate? You need to open your hands and action. Find the verb. What is the action in the predicate? Find the subject. Ask who or what did the action. Find the subject. Ask who or what do the action. Find the subject. Ask who or what. Ask who or what do the action. Okay, we have an example. Dad drove our car to the store. You see, Dad, where is the subject line? Yes, it's rather between two words, Dad and drove. Where is the verb? If you don't know what is the action in the predicate part of sentences, I have something to talk with you. That the word that behind the subject line, the line was the verb. For example, we eat cakes. Subject line here, right? Eat is a word behind. Underline it twice. So it is the example of one sentences. So we have find the verb is drove. Underline it twice. You can write this one in your notebook and underline it. How about that? That is the subject, but it is not the subject part. I write for you. Subject. A subject is a person, place, or thing in the subject part of the sentences. In the subject part of the sentences. One more time. A subject is a person, place, or thing that in the subject part of a sentences. Okay. So you also need to underline the subject. Oh, the subject is only one word. Underline that word. Finish. It is how we mark the sentences. Remember all this one. Finally, we have to find the word. What is the action? Yes, drove. How about find the subject? Who, blah, blah, blah. Who, blah, blah, drove. Who, blah, blah, blah. Yes, who drove? Because you see, ask who or what did the action. Remember? Okay. Here's drove. And what is this one? Who drove? Yes, Dad. Like that in here. Or you don't need to capitalize. It is okay. So we have already finished some exercise. Oh, new in this one is this exercise in here. So at home, remember, remember to all of it. Alright, all in here. So keep doing your best on your phonics, language, and I think that in the next lesson you will know how to mark the sentences and how to find a word and subject. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.